Welcome. In this guide, you'll learn about the Precisa platform's authenticity check feature for your uploaded files. Precisa runs an authenticity check on the uploaded file's properties, format, and content to verify whether the statement has been tampered with. Based on this verification, Precisa assigns an authenticity rating that helps you understand the reliability of the uploaded document. The ratings are defined as follows. Fraud confirmed indicates confirmed tampering in the file. Fraud suspected suggests possible tampering. User review is recommended. Original means no tampering detected. The document is genuine. Unknown indicates inconclusive results. Not checked, the format is not supported or the document appears to be a scanned statement. Once the statement is uploaded and details are confirmed, check authenticity to initiate verification. In this example, Precisa has verified that the uploaded file is original and has not been tampered with. All file properties, structure, and content passed integrity checks. The system assigns the rating original, which means the statement is genuine and safe to use without concern. Precisa performs an authenticity check to detect any signs of document tampering or fraud. This check is triggered in cases of fraud suspected or fraud confirmed and is based on several key parameters. These include credit and debit amount reconciliation, transaction count reconciliation, creator and producer metadata verification, a comparison between created and modified dates, and consistency in font size and style. If suspicious characteristics are found but tampering cannot be conclusively confirmed, the document is flagged as fraud suspected, and a manual review is strongly recommended. Common red flags include unusual font styles not typically used in bank-issued statements, failed PDF creator or producer checks indicating the document may have been generated using unauthorized or suspicious software. These checks help ensure the integrity and authenticity of financial documents submitted to the platform. In this example, Precisa has identified confirmed tampering in the uploaded PDF statement. Alterations in the document structure, metadata, or content have triggered a strong fraud signal. The system marks the file with the rating fraud confirmed, indicating a serious authenticity breach. Similarly, you can check the authenticity status for your uploaded reports on the platform. Thank you.